Hello everybody, welcome back to my new video. Today I will show you my new version of ExAcTOS 0.4. This version have bunch new things like better star, asteroid belt, and new type of planet, which is the gas giant. So now I will show you. Okay, so first it will ask to choose the star color, so I will choose white. Then it asks to choose a number of orbits, like so in my previous versions the orbit number was really small. Now we can have 10 orbits, and normally number of orbits I can make is infinite. Just this but 10 orbits make a lot more sense, so I will make it 10. So now I just make like our solar system. So then asteroid belt, and now the speeds, in this version the speeds, it's a little bit smaller, but we can do. Okay, so here you can see the simulation of ExAcTOS. So the star is looking much better. There we have asteroid belt, there we have rocky planets, there we have the gas giants, and that's all new things. You can move with arrow keys, and you can make a pause, which is a little bit laggy, but I will fix it. And you can here see the days, so I hope you like it. If you run this program, you will need the Python, and Pygame is the library of Python. I will make a link in the description, and I will try to make an exe file. So bye bye.